Don't judge the people. Okay, so there is a person is there. Okay, there are two persons are there, sir. What happened is one person invested his total savings in the share market. Share market at wrong time, suddenly going down, struggle like anything. Okay, total money gone in the share market. If I ask this person about the share market, or share market is good or not, what answer this person is telling?
It's a gambling.
Respond, friend. Don't
Gambling.
go share market.
Don't
It's a
do
waste kind of
gambling.
thing. I lost my total amount in the share market. Don't go like that. Okay, well, perfect. There is another person in there. What that person did is, he invested in the share market. In the good time, market is rising like anything. Almost just a matter of 14 days only, 3x returns came. 14 days only, 3x returns came. Then automatically, if I ask this person, are share market is good or not? What the answer this person is going to tell?
Gold.
Excellent. I never got this much returns in any area. Share market is the thing which provided 3x in 14 days only. Wonderful, right? Compulsory better to invest in the share market. Observe that. Market is the same. Business is the same. Market is the same. But different persons having different opinions because of their previous experiences. That's why don't compare with others. Don't judge other people's decisions about the money because their previous experiences may be different. We don't know. That's why compare yourself. What's your opinion on the financial things? Better to write. And these things are correct or not? Can I require to do any corrections or not? Better to analyze and move ahead.